Can men over 60 still get in killer shape? All right, I'm about to answer the question for you in this video. What's up guys, Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com. And can men over 60 still get in killer shape? Well, yes, all right. But I'm gonna answer this by telling you the first thing you wanna make sure is that you realistically determine your starting point, okay? If you're over 60, are you a healthy 60? Are you obese? Do you have any diabetes or do you have any other issues that are preventing you from starting your workout? All right, if that's the case, first thing I recommend, get it cleared with your doctor. If you're good to go, then here's what you wanna focus on. We wanna focus on improving 3 things. Hormones, that's the first thing we're gonna focus on increasing. Hormones increase your metabolism and increase your energy. You wanna have enough energy throughout the day. You don't wanna wear yourself out to where you can't get effective workouts and you're not functioning properly. All right, so the way to do those, you're gonna have to implement 3 different things. We're gonna start with nutrition. Nutrition is always the key. Determine what you're wanting to do. Do you need to lose weight, gain weight, just get fit, just get healthy? Find your goal, determine your goal, and then we're gonna, first of all, eliminate the junk foods. So when it comes to nutrition, you wanna eliminate sugar and eliminate processed foods. Get rid of those 2 things first, all right? Replace those with good nutrient-dense foods, good lean protein sources, good essential fats, and good complex carbs and good fibrous carbs, all right? Here's the thing though, now that you're older, you've already naturally got a slower metabolism. So you don't need carbs all of the time. So what I want you to do is carb cycle. You're gonna eat carbs on the days that you work out for fuel. It's gonna help fuel your workouts. It's gonna help replenish and recover from the workouts, all right? So complex carbs are what you're gonna eat on the days that you're working out. You're gonna get a lean protein source, an essential fat, and a complex carb, gluten-free carbs preferably. Rice, white rice, jasmine rice, brown rice, potatoes, any type of potato that you like, quinoa beans, those are good choices that you can have. Even oatmeal is a good choice if you want something like that. So good complex carbs on days that you work out. All right, now here's the thing. If you're not working out, then you only want carb choices from fibrous carbs. That's where you're gonna get your benefits, all the micronutrients that you're gonna need to help fuel and recover as well. So your micros are gonna be coming from vegetables, green leafy veggies, cauliflower, asparagus, broccoli, all of those are good choices on the days you're not working out. So that's the way you're gonna structure this plan. All right, you wanna make sure if you're working out, you're getting complex carbs. If you're having an off day, that you don't get complex carbs. Keep it pretty simple, all right? But the next step that you have to do, you have to optimize your sleep. Make sure you're getting really good sleep, especially as you get older, your body really requires good deep sleep. So I'm not talking about sleep where you're constantly tossing and turning. You wanna make sure you're getting really good sleep. Turn the lights off, turn all the electronics off about an hour prior to going to bed. That's phones, TVs, everything. Read a book, do something that's gonna relax you so that you get in your good deep REM sleep. Your REM sleep, your rapid eye movement sleep is what that is. That's when your body releases growth hormone to repair damaged tissues, help replenish and recover from the daily wear and tear. Also, your body is going to elevate testosterone levels, lower cortisol levels. So you're gonna get a lot of tremendous benefits while you're sleeping. So typically 7 to 9 hours of sleep a night is what you should be focusing on. So that's just as key as the nutrition is. So you get your nutrition down, then you start getting good, proper sleep, optimal sleep. Next thing, make sure you're staying hydrated. A lot of water. This is a coffee society, a lot of caffeine. So that's okay in moderation, but you wanna make sure you're staying hydrated. That's the other thing. So make sure you're getting enough water to go along with all these other things, all right? Now the next step is getting active. Even if all you can do, if you're severely obese, wherever you're starting at, if all you can do now is get up and walk, then get up and walk, all right? Just make little progressions, gradual increases. Just make sure you're walking more each day, walking for longer periods of time, walking faster. Now, if you're somebody that is actually ready to work out, here's the thing. You want to make sure that you're doing some compound lifts. Compound lifts are the bigger bang for your buck lifts. The lifts that are going to increase hormone levels, all right? And that's, again, you want to make sure you're boosting those hormones. You can do that through doing compound lifts. Squats. I don't mean back squats, especially if you're 60 years old, just getting started back. You can do body weight squats to start, just your own body weight. Depending on your hip mobility and knees, get down as low as you can comfortably go. And if you can't go far, that's okay. Just get started and then gradually get deeper and deeper into your squat position. Just build up that mobility. And the more you're doing it, the more consistent you are, the more benefits you're gonna get out of it and the lower you're gonna be able to go. Then if you can add a dumbbell and turn that into a goblet squat. So that's a little bit of extra resistance. So just find a comfortable starting point for you and start with that. But always a squat, a type of bench press, a chest press. Even if it's only push-ups to start. Start with push-ups. If you have to be on your knees, that's fine as well. Again, focus on keeping your shoulders healthy, elbows and wrists healthy as well. All the joints should be maintained correctly. So just make sure that you are really focused on doing everything slow, under control, utilizing proper form. All right. Now, if you are all ready to jump right into the weights, then start with dumbbells. Dumbbells are a lot more healthy for your shoulders and elbows. I like using a neutral grip, palms facing one another. All right, do that on a bench press. You can do it on a bench press, a flat bench press. You can do it on an incline press. Shoulder press is the next thing. You want to make sure you're strengthening up your shoulders and upper back. So an overhead shoulder press is something else you can focus on. So these are the compound lifts you need to be doing. You want to make sure you're hitting your legs and your chest and your back. Do some little rows. If you've got lower back issues initially, then do a chest supported row. All right. Lean up on an incline bench. Make sure the incline pad is supporting all of your weight, and then do a dumbbell row. All right, but do some type of row as well. So doing those exercises, again, it's not only gonna boost your hormone levels, but it's also gonna increase your metabolism, which is gonna help burn fat. So that's the other thing. So just to recap, you wanna make sure nutrition is on point. Carb cycle, that's the best type of nutrition you can do. Very simple, very sustainable. You're in this for the longevity, keep that in mind. So you wanna make something that's gonna be easier for you to do from day to day. That's one of the best things for you guys to do. Also, again, sleep, optimal sleep, hydration, make sure you're drinking your water, getting active. Put all of these things together and you can start getting into killer shape. So again, go at your own pace. Take it gradually, because we are all starting at a different fitness and conditioning level. So that's the same with you. So go at your own pace. If some of this stuff is way too simple for you, if you've been working out for a long time, you're just trying to get leaner and more fit, then yeah, you can definitely ramp it up a little bit. You can do some front squats, back squats if you need to. So I just want you to know that there's always something for you to do wherever you're starting, but you can get into killer shape. But guys, all right, I know this is a lot of information. I just wanted to share everything that you need to do to get into shape at your age. Also, we've got a free workout for you guys, a free Ripped After 40 workout. So we've got that in the description box. There's a link to pick that up. Make sure you do that. It's a workout designed for older guys, something that's more joint friendly. It's gonna give you an idea of the type of lifts you should be doing. It's utilizing my Tricon training as well, something I designed for older guys. So it will provide you with tremendous benefits. Also, if you've got any questions about any of this information I'm covering, comment below, let me know. And man, other than that, get busy, get after it, and God bless.